Today we are at 1474 Stanford Road. This is in Gulf Breeze. We're entering through the foyer. Directly to our right is a formal dining area. We do have nice carpeting throughout. We have access through this dining room into our kitchen, but we're going to go straight down the hallway. We do have nice vaulted ceilings in the living area. Nice fireplace for a good focal point. French doors to our screened-in porch and backyard. We also have a nice bar top in our kitchen. Lots of good cabinet space and countertop space. So here is our living room from another view. Now we're going to go through the living room into our master suite. Again, carpeting throughout all of the living quarters. We do have a nice big window for some extra lighting. Now our ensuite is directly through that door. We do have a nice garden tub and double sink vanity, as well as 2 closets, and then a towel closet as well. We also have a nice separate commode area as well. Now heading back out, we'll go to the guest bedrooms. Those are located just to the left of the front door when you're entering the property. So we're going to walk back down this hallway. There's our front door. You'll see we do have a nice laundry room with access to our garage. We're going to go straight into the first guest bedroom. So here is that first guest bedroom. Good size for our office or a children's room or a guest room. Now we do have another closet here, and then we have our bathroom and second guest bedroom. Same setup as the previous bedroom. Now we'll go to that hall bathroom. We do have a nice shower tub combo here. Perfect for kids or just guests in general. Now heading back out, we'll show you the backyard. But first we're going to go to the garage. This property does have a 2-car garage. And it is perfect for storage space as well as your vehicles. Now heading back inside, we're going to go back through the living room and through those French doors to our screened-in patio. The fence does surround the entire property, so it is enclosed, perfect for kids to play with. So here is our patio, and we'll go through this screen door here, and here is our backyard area. So now we're looking towards the front of the house. And then this is the back of the house. So good sized backyard altogether. And here's our screened-in porch from the outside. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 1474 Stanford Road, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.